Hello, Dr. Hayes. This is Derek Clement. I'm in your Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 8 a.m. Authentic Christianity class, and this is my book review. First and foremost, I remember you said in class you like to see our room, so this is my room up in Bridges. My roommate, we both play baseball. He's a big Astros fan. Rangers all the way. But and secondly, I am, if you see me reading off my computer, I just jot down a few notes and things like that to kind of make it easier to make this video. So the book that I chose to do Money, Possessions, and Eternity by Randy Alcorn. And if you could see it right here, yep. There we have it. I have the ebook. I'm sorry, I can't figure out a way to switch the thing back and forth. But so to start off, he goes over 4 parts in this book. The first part of the book is the importance Christians need to have in balancing the need to accumulate money. He goes over the extremes and the weaknesses of asceticism and extreme of materialism. We kind of need to find a happy medium in between there, enough to live, but also enough to give back to those who need. Part 2 deals with how some people treat possessions on earth and that those things will have no merit in heaven. He goes over he goes over having 2 masters, master in master of God, God being our master and leading us and teaching us and putting him first in his will first, and also having a master of material things, earthly things, those things that, like I just said, have no merit in heaven. Part 3, he deals with giving, how we need to invest in people and invest in the church and things like that. Part 4, he goes into how we as Christians need to handle our money. In chapter 19, he goes over gambling. He states that a few years ago when he started to make the book, he didn't think that he would have to put gambling in the book, but times have changed, and so he had to find a way to put it in there somewhere. We can't be gambling our money away with lottery tickets and things like that. We got to invest into the kingdom of God. 2 things I took away from the book: he puts a lot of quotes in, and so I just have a couple quotes and I'll elaborate on those. This one was from Augustine. That bread which you keep belongs to the hungry, that coat which you preserve in your wardrobe to the naked, those shoes which are rotting in your possession to the shoeless, that gold which you have hidden in the ground to the needy. Wherefore, as often as you are able to help others and refuse, so often did you do them wrong. So essentially, the things that we have that we don't use, the things that we're just kind of hoarding away, they can just be given away to people who need them and who have less than we do. Another quote and another thing I took away was he states, our use of money and possessions is a decisive statement of our internal values. What we do with our money loudly affirms which kingdom we belong to. Whenever we give of our resources to further God's kingdom, we cast a ballot for Christ and against Satan, for heaven and against hell. Whenever we use our resources selfishly and indifferently, we further Satan's goals. So we have to have good goals as Christians. That's one the big thing that I took away from this book. We have to have the Christian-like goals and to be very Christ-like in our daily walk. So that essentially is it. Once again, my name is Derek Clement. I'm in your Monday, Wednesday, Friday Authentic class, and I'll see you in class. Thank you.